In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of the Threads app. If you're switching devices, sharing your phone, or just taking a break, logging out is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through it slowly so you know exactly what to tap, what to expect, and a few small tips to avoid confusion. Start by opening the Threads app on your device. Make sure you're on the home screen and that you're connected to the internet so everything loads properly. If you manage more than one account, double check that you're currently viewing the account you want to log out of. Next, look to the bottom of the screen and tap your profile icon on the right. This takes you to your profile page, where you can see your posts, followers, and all the controls tied to your account. From here, we're heading into the app's settings. In the top right corner of your profile, you'll see a small menu button with two horizontal lines. Go ahead and tap that to open the menu. Depending on your device or app version, this icon might also be referred to as the menu or hamburger button. Once you tap it, you'll land in the settings area, where personal preferences and account options live. Now scroll down through the settings until you find the log out option. It's usually near the bottom of the list. If you don't see it immediately, keep scrolling slowly so you don't miss it. Tapping log out won't remove your account or delete any posts. It just signs you out on this device. This is helpful to remember, especially if you're borrowing a phone or trying to reduce notifications for a while. When you tap log out, the app will ask you to confirm. This extra step prevents accidental logouts. Tap log out again to confirm. If you change your mind, you can cancel here and stay signed in. Otherwise, once you confirm, you'll be taken back to the sign-in screen. After logging out, you won't receive notifications from this account on the device, and you'll need your login details the next time you want to sign back in. If your Threads is connected through your Instagram account, you'll use those same credentials to get back in. As a quick tip, make sure any drafts or edits are saved or posted before you log out, just in case. That's it. Open Threads, go to your profile, tap the menu in the top right, scroll to log out, and confirm. Simple, safe, and done. If this was helpful, you're all set to manage your sign-ins confidently anytime you need.